We would like to give a special thanks to Just Play for providing us with these toys. Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Hairdorables. Big hair, don't care. Hey, my froggy stuff. It sounds like a pet store in here. Let's open this up to see what's inside. It's a giant Hairdorables Pets surprise box. 24 pets to collect, 8 surprises inside. Series 1. This is awesome! I absolutely love Hairdorables. They are one of my favorite surprise boxes. I'm still working on my Series 1 collection. I need the girl that has the dog. What's her name? Cat? Could this be it? It's a double Royal Bella. Aww, I'll never get a Hairdorables pet. Oh, wait. We got Hairdorables pets right here! Let's pull the tab so we can see what's inside. Wow! Do you know what's better than surprise boxes? Giant surprise boxes! Oh, and there's a note. Hey, my froggy stuff, we love your style. Noah here, and I am so excited to introduce to you the newest members of our squad! Hairdorables Pets. They are just about the cutest fur friends you've ever seen. Lovable, loyal, and lots of big hair, don't care style. Our pets express their unique personalities, just like us. Aw, I love Noah. Let's open this one first. Inside, we have the actual Hairdorables Pet surprise box, which is a lot smaller than this one. And it's a good thing, too. Because I was like, we don't have the shelf space for that. Pull, peel, and reveal. To open a tiny room, there is a collector's guide showing you all of the different pets, like Lucky Lemon, Twirling Tango, Peppy Piper, Jet Set Journey, Zany Zip, Glimmer Gemma, Twisted Taffy, Primary Picasso, Musical Melody, Curious Comet, Happy Harlow, and Spectacular Sahara. Each pet has 2 looks. One is a signature look, and there is an ultra rare Zany Zip. Let's find out which pet we have inside. Behind door number 1, we have wings and a set of stickers. Behind door number 2, we have a curry comb, a flower barrette, and more stickers. Curry combs make me think of horses, but I could be wrong. There is only one way to find out. Is this a horse? It's a mini! It's Glimmer Gemma in her signature look. She has a mane and tail that you can style, and lots of big hair. Let's open another one. I just love the little backgrounds inside of each one. Starting with door number 1, which is our first clue for our pet. I have a baseball cap with a seashell on it. Our second clue is another curry comb. So I'm thinking this is not just for horses. This is possibly their standard pet comb. And we have a ball. It is time to meet our new pet. Since we had a ball, I am hoping this is a dog. It's signature Lucky Lemon, who wears a hat over one ear. 2 pets to go. I am hoping for more dogs. I like the dogs. Ah, a new background. Surprise number 1 is a purple dish. Next, we got a brush and a crown. Okay, I gotta confess, I cheated and looked at the collector's card, so I'm pretty certain I know which one this is. I'm gonna say it's Melody, who is a lion with a green mane. 1 pet to go. Please let this be Peppy Piper or Spectacular Sahara. Oh, I am so nervous. This is our last one. And our clue is... What? Is that a water bottle? It looks like a water bottle with a rainbow and clouds on it. I'm not gonna look at the collector's guide. I want this to be a surprise. Because, let's be honest, the surprise is half the fun. This surprise is a brush and a rainbow barrette. We definitely have a rainbow theme here. It's time to see our pets. Please be Piper or Sahara. And it is Sahara! It's Sahara. Sahara is a zebra with a long mane and tail and pastel stripes. The pets are about 2 to 3 inches tall. They can move at the head, and they each have a BFF Hairdorables. Most of their tails are styled with rubber bands, and they have those signature Hairdorables eyes. I would have liked to have seen more variation in height, especially for the ponies, but I like that they are colorful and have cute accessories. They have a suggested retail price of $7.99. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Hairdorables pets. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.